Hi guys, I'm Wadac2 from uklockspot.co.uk. This is my antique padlock collection. I decided to get them out to display today and give them a bit of a dust off, and thought, seeing as they're out, I'm going to pick one. Picked a few of these before, they're on my channel. This one is a Yale sort of bike padlock from the 1960s, 70s, early 80s with a working key. It's a wafer lock. Could use my jigglers in it, but I'm going to single pin pick it. There's the key. Not that it matters because they're quite easy to get open. This, with it being old, it struggles now and again, but never mind. I'm going to use a Sanford short hook. It's got quite a wide keyway, so the tension wrench slips now and again. There you go, it's picked quite quickly. Also, I've got a lot of these little secure padlocks. I think they might have been used on like electrical boxes sort of many years ago, and they're numbered. I'm not going to be able to see that. 1 to 4. They've all got keys apart from number 1. I'll just show you a key from this. And that's the number 4. So I'll get that out of the way so you can see. With not having a key for number 1, I decided to make, or should I say adapt, one of the spare keys from the other ones to make a little warded padlock key. So the top one is the key that I just used on the padlock there, and you can see I've filed one of the other ones down there to make a miniature warded key, and it works wonders on them all. These are the ones that I've not got a key for. Number 1, every sort of other one has got a key. I'll show you that working in, first of all, the number 4, which has a working key. Pop that to one side. This one is number 2. Pops that straight open. Again, the number 4. So the number 1s that I've not got a key for, straight in, twist, beautiful little key, little homebrew. That's work there. And that one open. So while we're on the subject of warded padlocks, I've got a couple in here, if I can find them. These are warded keys that you can purchase from our shop at specialkeys.co.uk. Great bits of kit. And basically you offer like the size of the key up to the keyway. So if it does not fit, it's not going to open the lock. So it's got that one open nicely. Let's try another one. See, that's far too big. for the keyway, so that's not going to go in. So basically what you're doing is looking at the size comparison and just sort of jiggle around, pop the lock. See, that's an old one, but this is sort of 1800s. It's a secure pancake warded lock. That is obviously too small, as you can see from the keyway. So what I do is basically off them up the size, sort of width wise from there to there, straight round. So after these have been dusted off, I'm going to pop them back in the display cabinet. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.